हमारे साथ माना के पेरेंट्स भी हैं, ओम प्रकाश सिंह जी एंड लोगों ने कहा ना, समाज ने कहा ना, रिश्तेदारों ने कहा ना, लेकिन मान्या ने कहा हाँ और इतिहास बन गया। परेशानियां थी, मुश्किलें थी, परेशानियां थी, मुश्किलें थी, तकलीफें थी, उलझने थी। उसने कहा लेकिन किसी ने भी नहीं माना, उसने कहा लेकिन किसी ने भी नहीं। So I request Manya Singh along with her parents and all our dignitaries to take place on the dais, and here we go ahead with our program. College, Tagore College of Science and Commerce.
Hi everybody, there is just one thing that I wanted to point out, given the fact that she is crowned and she is not wearing a mask. Let's not forget we are in the middle of a pandemic. I know a lot of you are not wearing masks.
फिर से स्वागत करता हूं। I request all the dignitaries to take their place. I request ठाकुर श्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी, ठाकुर मनोज सिंह जी, ठाकुर सूरज सिंह जी, along with our principal madam, Dr. Mrs. Shaitali Chakraborty, उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। Our management representatives, ठाकुर मनोज सिंह जी, ठाकुर सूरज सिंह जी, एक बार जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों फिर से, एक बार सारे टीचर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां। All the placards up in the air, come on, yes. Wow, very nice, thank you.
A very warm welcome to our pride, our glory, and a beautiful girl with soaring dreams, Miss Manya Singh. Parents, Mrs. Manorama Singh and Mr. Om Prakash Singh, Management Trustee Shri Jitendra Singh Ji, Management Representative Shri Manoj Singh Ji and Shri Suraj Singh Ji, our Principal Dr. C.T. Chakraborty, the media representatives, and a very warm welcome to all the faculty members and students. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. This has been proved by Manya. Born in a small town, Hata in UP, a girl who dared to dream, a girl who challenged the ideology of social class strata, a girl who challenged the patriarchal society where she was brought up. She worked hard, bent all the odds and the rules, and made it to this glorious fame. Guys, she deserves a huge clap for her desires and passions that has made her realize her dream. Congratulations, Ms. Manya Singh, from all of us at Tagore College of Science and Commerce. To begin with, I would like to invite upon our Principal Dr. Chaitali Chakraborty for a formal welcome address.
दोस्तों हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैडम डॉक्टर मिसेस शैताली चक्रवर्ती के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। यस, ये ठाकुर कॉलेज का जोश है।
Namaskar, good morning to all. I am extremely elated today because I am getting the happiness once again. It was once in 2018 when Nehal Chudasama made me proud, and today it is Manya Singh. Thank you very much, Manya, for being a part of this college and making us proud. This is a moment of great pride that our college is greeting a student who has brought glory not only to us at college but also to the state and the entire region. Mania, I on behalf of the management and staff members heartily welcome you to your alma mater. I welcome all the people on the dais for today's wonderful session and और मुझे लगता है मान्या को जो आज इस दिन हम ऑनर कर रहे हैं इससे बड़ा दिन साल में नहीं हो सकता. It is indeed a great achievement for our college to have one among us being crowned as Miss India runner-up. Our college has made accomplishment of cricketers, football players, entrepreneurs, television actors and many industrialists to boast as the alumni. Today you have added one more feather of glory to our cap. Thakur College seems to have a strong association with beauty pageants. That feeling that our girls have been given the needed platform to experiment and dream their passion. Mania, we know that your journey from being a simple proved it one more time that it is passion and commitment to efforts that drives you to success. College, I wish to highlight that she is a humble fighter with her zeal, focus and commitment has gone on to clinch the crown which now sits proud on her pretty face. I know you are pretty, you all are prepared for the great and exciting changes that have and will come to your life. You surely have all media attention, movie stars surrounding you and a lot of friends building contacts with you, but I am sure that you will always stay grounded, committed, dedicated and fixed of purpose and world will be an oyster. When you want to be a voice of women belonging to lower social strata and fight gender discrimination in the society, you wish to vocalize their dreams and give them a chance to choose their lives. We at Thakur College stand with you on this cause and I will not forget to congratulate their parents. उनके मम्मी पापा का जो एफर्ट है वो सबसे बड़ी एफर्ट है और मुझे तो उसमें से मैं थोड़ी सी पार्शियलिटी करूंगी. मम्मी का एफर्ट और ज़्यादा दिखता है, उनके चेहरे में जो थकावट है और उसके बाद जो सुकून दिख रहा है कि she has achieved her daughter's dream. Let me tell you children one thing. Mania did not get this title in one day. She has strolled her life for last 6 to 7 years. And remember children, I appreciate your connection with us and as an alumnus, you have credited us with your crowning success. We wish you all the best for your new set of challenges and will always stand by you to win many more titles to your fame.